What's up, fuckers? It's Spencer with the Revive and Thrive Tribe. I'm just some clueless prick who doesn't know jack about meditating. I might have a beard and appear to have my shit together, but don't let the dad bod fool you. I'm totally lost when it comes to that stuff. Yoga, exercise, yeah, that's a joke. But you know what I'm a pro at? Losing my goddamn mind over every little thing life throws my way. But hey, I found a hack that kinda works. So for the next few minutes, I'm gonna guide you through a meditation for assholes like me who don't know shit about it. Let's be real. Meditation, I try to leave it to the rest of my Revive and Thrive tribe, but even I can't deny those assholes who say it's all about the breathing are actually right. So let's fucking do this. Right now. Just roll with me and take 2 deep ass breaths. Alright, not too shabby. Breathe in through your nose and out through that big ass mouth of yours. Here's the deal. When you try to meditate, it's like your thoughts come at you like a bag of dicks, smacking you in the forehead. Don't sweat it if your brain's all over the place. Thoughts are just thoughts, and we're the ones who give them power. Damn, that was deep as hell. You can't control the batshit insanity of the world, but you can control your breath. So really dig deep and breathe from down in your gut. As you exhale, loosen up everything from the top of your head, right next to that receding hairline, all the way down to your crusty, fucked up toenails. If you're like me and anxiety's got you by the balls, you probably feel like you're always gasping for air because of the weight of the world's got you in a fucking chokehold. But here's the secret sauce. Breathe out twice as long as you breathe in. Now that we're loosening up, think of something awesome, like when you take a shit and you only have to wipe once or twice. That's the dream, right? Remember, you're right here, giving your body a well-deserved break. Take a deep breath, roll that stiff-ass neck around, and let those random thoughts just float on by. Seriously, how fucking tight is my neck? Breathe out. Can you believe we're almost done with this shit? No need to rush. All those Instagram notifications, tweets, Facebook posts, DMs, they're still gonna be there when we're finished. As we wrap this shit up, close your eyes and set an intention for the rest of the day. Say it out loud. Maybe something like, I'm gonna tell my in-laws to go fuck themselves later. Take one final breath and give yourself some props for actually taking a few minutes out of your chaotic day to take care of your crazy ass. But don't get ahead of yourself. You're still no fucking guru. But when it comes to the basics, you're right on track. Namaste, bitches.